Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So आज की वीडियो में I am doing a Nykaa haul. पूरे साल में I only shop twice on Nykaa. One is for my pre-birthday and the other one is during the Pink Friday sale or Black Friday के time पे. And I spend a lot. I almost spend 20 to 30k easily, and over the period of 2 years I have built my luxury makeup collection. I've built my mini perfume collection, like all the perfumes that I wanted. And yeah, I mean, that's how it is. I honestly save enough to, you know, invest in these kind of things. Agar aap meri budget videos dekhoge on my budget channel, I save separately for my birthday for cash to spend on these things and to make myself happy. There are always these small things jisse aapko khushi milti hai, like using your favorite skincare products and all. And for me, once in a while when I get these things, I really feel happy, and then I use it for a really long time and makes me happy. So yeah, but this year, okay, I haven't purchased that much from Nykaa. Like I told you, अगर मैं 20,000 की shopping करूँगी, this time I've only done for 4,000. Not that, you know, there is some issue, and it's because I don't know why इस बार मुझे इतना मन नहीं किया. मैंने सिर्फ 2-3 चीज़ें ली जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी. And yeah, that's how it is. Over the period of time, I have realized that एक बार, you know, once you invest in the things that you really like and want, after that you don't feel really intrigued in other things. Then you want to go ahead and invest in experiences. That's what I feel. So वही मेरे साथ हुआ है. But yeah, I'm really happy. I mean, जब ये parcel मेरे को receive हुआ, I was so happy that yeah, ठीक है, कुछ तो मैंने लिया. And these are like some products. कुछ चीज़ें महंगी है. For some of you it might be like a little too expensive कि एक ही product इतना महंगा, but it feels like it, but I honestly feel really happy to invest in some good skincare items and all. So yeah, that was just there. But now without further ado, let's get started into the haul. So सबसे पहले I have this parcel over here. ये ना मुझे Nykaa ने उनका जो summer sale था, जो just अभी ख़त्म हुआ मई के last week में, तब उन्होंने मेरे को ये PR सेंड किया था. I'm so grateful for that. I don't get those huge उनके जो PR boxes होते हैं, 2 टाइप के PR होते हैं. एक जो बड़ा वाला बॉक्स भेजते हैं, which I had gotten during the Pink Friday sale, और एक दूसरा ये बैग भेजते हैं. So usually when they send these bags, they only have Nykaa products, like Nykaa के brands के. So yeah, Nykaa did send me this, and I'm just gonna quickly share with you all what are the things that they sent me. सबसे पहले तो है ये Nykaa का Wanderlust Mediterranean Sea Salt Shower Gel. I am this close to finishing up my Bath and Body Works का shower gel. उसके बाद I have another stock up, but मुझे वो नहीं यूज़ करना था इतनी जल्दी. So I'm grateful कि मेरे को ये मिल गया. मैंने Nykaa का ये जो उनका Wanderlust collection है, उनके almost सारे ही products जो उनके body lotion, body milk try किए हुए हैं, and from their entire range I really like the body milk and shower gel. So this is a good one, and अभी monsoon भी आने वाले हैं, तो you really need something fresh and refreshing. So yeah, ये sea salt वाला shower gel है. The next thing that I got is the Skinnarix Wrinkle Repair 2% Advanced Retinol Serum. So ये जो retinol serum है ना guys, I was anyway eyeing on a good retinol serum. मेरे को body के लिए चाहिए थी, and I've realized कि आपकी body पे retinol serum really works well compared to any other serum. So yeah, I'm good. मैंने कभी ना Skinnarix के products try नहीं किए, ये पहली बार I'll be trying, so I'm excited for this. Let's see. But yeah, Nykaa Skinnarix usually काफ़ी सेल पे होता है, तो in case you wanna check out, आप कर सकते हो. तो ये मैंने लिया. Next item that I got is the Unmasked Pearl Hyaluronic Acid वाला एक regular sheet mask. I have used a lot of sheet mask. Nykaa के भी use किए हैं, and it's okay. It's not bad. It's just a regular sheet mask. Then I got this huge perfume. This is the Nykaa Moy Joy de Vivre. It's very fresh, citrusy, aquatic perfume. इतना कुछ मतलब what do I say? It's not like very wow sort of a perfume. It's like your regular perfume, but yeah, the lasting power is really good. My mom really liked it. I anyway wanted a fragrance for my gym. मैं अभी ना वो strawberry वाले fragrances लगा के जा रही हूँ gym में, क्योंकि वही है मेरे पास, and I want to finish up that one bottle of Bath and Body Works that I have. But now I've got this fresh वाला perfume which I can use. But my mom really liked this scent. Yeah, it's very citrusy and fresh. Not really my type. I'm a person who loves vanilla. So yeah, that's there. But काफ़ी अच्छा परफ्यूम है. लास्टिंग पावर इसकी काफ़ी अच्छी है, और इसमें काफ़ी अलग अलग वेरिएंट्स भी आपको मिल जाएंगे इन केस यू वांना गेट दिस वन. सो ये वाला मिला था. द लास्ट आइटम दैट Nykaa sent me was the K Beauty's Creme Blush. I have heard so many reviews about this blush, but कभी मैंने try किया नहीं, और I was actually quite happy कि उन्होंने मेरे को एक K Beauty का product भेजा. So ये K Beauty का matte blush है, creme वाला, which is in the variant Sweetheart Pink, and it's a beautiful shade. मैंने इसको use किया हुआ है, बहुत ही अच्छा blush है guys. You should definitely get your hands on this one. K Beauty पे हमेशा offers रहते ही है, which is by Katrina Kaif of course. So really like this blush. So ये कुछ चीज़ें थी जो नायका ने मुझे भेजी थी. Now let's get into the things that I purchased for my pre-birthday. By the way, मेरा birthday is in the month of June, and I always buy like a week before ताकि मैं आपके साथ भी share कर सकूँ. So yeah, I didn't buy a lot from Nykaa Luxe this time. 2-3 चीज़ें ही खरीदी है. So let's get into that first. पहले तो ये छोटू सा बॉक्स है. दिस थिंग ओके, ये मेरे को काफ़ी टाइम से चाहिए था, बट मैंने पता नहीं क्यों मेरा मन ही नहीं किया बाय करने के लिए, बट दिस टाइम आई बॉट इट. दिस इज़ द इंडी वाइल्ड लिप बाम. दिस इज़ द 2% vegan lip butter. I have heard so many reviews about indie wild lip balm on like everyone raving about it कि it's so good, it's better than Laneige, ये वो. मैंने ना अभी तक Laneige का एक alternative like ढूंढ ही नहीं पाई हूँ. I have used this one, I'm not gonna lie. काफ़ी अच्छा lip balm है, really enjoyed it. काफ़ी लोग इसको बोल रहे थे घी वाला lip balm, but it's a vegan lip balm, so I don't think so. इसके अंदर घी है, पर बहुत ही अच्छा lip balm है, मेरे को बहुत पसंद आया. This is like your Diva Khosla's brand, and इसकी स्मेल कुछ इतनी ज़्यादा है नहीं, but काफ़ी अच्छा lip balm है, and I'm gonna use it regularly, and I would recommend you guys to get it. For the price point, it's pretty okay. I think 900 रुपये का है ये lip balm, but I got it at 10% off. But yeah, it's great. It's apparently made in Korea. मुझे नहीं पता था, but काफ़ी अच्छा lip balm है. I would 100% recommend you guys to get your hands on this one. I wouldn't say it's as good as Laneige का lip mask, but हाँ अच्छा है. lip balm से तो अच्छा ही है Laneige के. So yeah, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. I think this is going to be a constant repurchase in my cart from next time, क्योंकि काफ़ी अच्छा lip balm है. Like it's worth the hype that people have been talking about this. The next Luxe item that I purchased was from Laneige of course. ये जब launch हुआ था, and when I saw it on Nykaa, I really wanted to get it, and ये मेरे को अच्छे discount पे मिल गया. This was priced at 2,600 rupees, but मेरे को ये 2200 रुपये में मिला, 2,200 if I'm not wrong. And this is the Laneige Bouncy and Firm Sleeping Mask. I anyway wanted to invest in a good sleeping mask, guys. Not just sleeping mask, a nice moisturizer. मैं Clinique वाला लेने वाली थी, but जब मैंने ये वाला देखा, I was like ठीक है वानी यही ले लेते हैं. Ideally, you're supposed to use it as the last step in your skincare routine. Like आपका night moisturization हो गया, उसके बाद लगाना है. ये मैंने 2-3 बार use कर लिया है. काफ़ी बढ़िया product है, guys. First of all, I love the texture. The smell, everything of this product is so good. हाँ थोड़ा सा महंगा है, but ये इतना बड़ा tub is going to last me for good 4 months easily. Like कम से कम 3 महीने तो रहने ही वाला है, because you know I've been using products so often, I know how long they're gonna last. So ये कम से कम 3 महीने तो चलने ही वाला है. इसका छोटा वेरिएंट भी आता है in case you want to try that out, but I would say invest in the big one. It's great, it's beautiful, it's just the best product. And एक और चीज़ मैंने notice की हो, you know, after almost doing skincare regularly for the last 3 years, कि Korean skincare products work really well on Indian skins, and काफ़ी जल्दी उसका you know result मिलता है. So that's why I really want to invest now in more like your Korean skincare brands, like your Laneige, your COSRX, all of those, Access Y. So ये वाला मैंने लिया, and इसके साथ I got a mini lip balm free. ये Laneige का lip treatment balm है, which again they were giving free for all of these items. और ये वाला इतना सा है, बट काफ़ी अच्छा है. इट्स वेरी ग्लिटरी, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, एंड इट्स गॉट अ बबल गमी स्मेल. एज यू कैन सी मैंने इसको ट्राई किया हुआ है, बट इट्स गुड. ओके, इट्स नॉट अ बैड लिप बाम. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट एंड वुड रेकमेंड यू गाइज टू गेट इट. इसका फुल साइज भी आता है, यू कैन चेक दैट आउट, बट आई रियली लाइक दिस लिप बाम. आई एम नॉट गोना लाई, सो you can get your hands on this one. Now with all this, they gave this sample free. ये Lancome का La Vie Belle perfume का sample है. I have the huge bottle of the perfume, and I know how amazing this perfume is. So now I've got a travel vial, sort of a free gift. Now let's get on to these products जो मैंने regular Nykaa से लिए हैं. Basically not the Luxe one. इस बार अगेन मैंने काफ़ी लिमिटेड चीज़ें ली है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा नहीं ली है. पहले तो मेरे को बॉडी लोशंस चाहिए थे, and I saw this new launch from Vaseline which is the Gluta-Hya Overnight Radiant Serum and Lotion. So इसका एक combo था जो सिर्फ 390 rupees में मिल रहा था. So I got this combo where I've got their Overnight Radiance and the Dewy Radiance. I have tried these lotions before. ये वाले जो थे, it was okay, not bad but not the best as well. But then right now I really wanted something जो ऐसे ट्यूब फॉर्म में आए and not pump, and I saw this at a great price. और मेरे को ये वाला ट्राई भी करना था तो मैंने दोनों ले लिए. I have tried this one. It's great. You should definitely invest in this one. काफ़ी hydrating है, lightweight है, non-sticky है, and I think Vaseline is doing a great job with these वाले moisturizers. तो आप ये दोनों ले सकते हो. Absolutely love them and काफ़ी affordable है. Then I had to stock up on my favorite eye serums. So अभी तक ना मैंने इसका एक पूरा बॉटल ख़त्म कर लिया and it's very difficult to finish this eye serum क्योंकि काफ़ी लंबा टाइम चलता है. मेरा तो almost 4 या 6 महीने चला, and उसके बाद मेरे पास एक और एक्स्ट्रा आई क्रीम थी, वो मैंने फिनिश कर ली. देन आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट हिमानी, लेट्स गेट बैक टू आवर कल्ट फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट. सो ये है लॉरियल का अंडर आई सीरम एंड हाइलुरोनिक एसिड. This is such an amazing product. Absolutely love it. So ये मैंने लिया था अपने morning skincare के लिए, और उसके साथ साथ I saw that they launched this Glycolic Bright which is for dark circles. So this is their 3% glycolic vitamin C G niacinamide eye serum. So ये मैं night time skincare routine में यूज़ करती हूँ. दोनों ही मैंने खोल दिए हैं. These are the best eye serums ever launched by L'Oreal. I absolutely love them. दोनों ही बहुत सही है. I don't know how soon it's going to get rid of my dark circles. मैंने एक हफ्ते से इसको यूज़ करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. So let's see what the results are. I will definitely keep you guys updated. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. But ये वाला तो बिल्कुल ही ले लो, बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट है. सो इनके साथ ना they were having this offer and you can pick up a product free. So I picked up this L'Oreal का hyaluronic acid gel cleanser. ये मैंने पहले भी ट्राई किया हुआ है. It's a very nice basic cleanser. I really like cleansers that are gel based, gentle but again foams up. And this is one of them. So ये वाला फ्री में मेरे को मिल गया. And I saw that CeraVe was having an offer, और मेरे को ना I really wanted to get the Clinique Moisture Surge, but then it was for almost like what, 3,000. It was coming out to be around 4,800. But then I saw CeraVe had this offer that if you buy for $899 they get a mini kit for free. So they give a mini kit for free. So I picked up these two things from CeraVe and I really wanted to try these ones out as well. So I was like, why not? So first of all I picked up the CeraVe's foaming cleanser from normal to dry skin. I have dry skin. I actually have normal to dry skin, not even dry skin. So I picked up this one, and इसके अंदर आपको एक regular cleanser भी मिलता है. But I picked up the foaming one because, like I told you, I really like foaming cleansers. So this is the one that I picked, and then I also picked the very famous CeraVe moisturizing cream for dry to dry skin. For dry to very dry skin, and I have tried this product. मैंने हाथ पे लगाया, but it's a beautiful moisturizer. I'm going to try it out and keep you guys updated on this. And if this thing works, I'll invest in the big tub. इतना भी महंगा नहीं है compared to any other moisturizer. So yeah, if it really works out, I'm definitely gonna buy the bigger one. But first impressions are pretty good. So ये दोनों चीज़ें मैंने खरीदी थी, and with this I got a mini CeraVe kit for free. And इस kit के अंदर I got a face wash which is their hydrating cleanser and the moisturizing lotion. So I've tried I've tried the moisturizing lotion, which is okay. Again, I'm more of a cream person. The lotion really doesn't work that well on my skin, but it's okay. It's not a bad product. और ये cleanser तो मेरे को अभी try करना है, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated on this as well. Let me know if you want to see a review on the CeraVe products. So हाँ, ये kit मेरे को free में मिली थी, which was a great deal. Guys, that is the end of my Nykaa haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. सारे products के link मैं description में डाल दूँगी. You guys can go ahead and check it out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.